Fall's rolling in, and you might be tempted to put your garden to bed and call it a day, but trust me, the choices you make right now have a massive impact come spring. I'm James, and today, let's talk about 5 common fall gardening mistakes I see all the time, plus how to sidestep them for a lush, thriving garden next year. First up, leaving your garden beds bare. Bare soil is like an open wound. Winter rain and wind wash away nutrients and good soil structure, and that's bad news for your spring plans. Instead, I plant a cover crop, like clover or winter rye, or lay down mulch. Even a thin layer of leaves or straw protects your soil and keeps those microbes happy. Second, overcleaning your garden. It's tempting to cut everything back, but some old stems and leaves actually shelter beneficial insects and feed your soil. I always leave a little organic matter behind, just enough for nature's helpers to find a winter home. Third mistake, ignoring soil testing. If you haven't checked your soil lately, you might be feeding it the wrong stuff or missing key nutrients. I grab a simple soil test kit every fall. It helps me know what my garden really needs, so I can add compost or natural amendments, not just guess. Fourth on the list, improper mulching. I see mulch piled up like mini volcanoes around plants, but that suffocates roots and attracts pests. I keep mulch 2 to 3 inches thick, no more no less, and always leave a little space around stems for airflow and to prevent rot. And finally, bad timing with planting. Putting cover crops or perennials in too late and frost takes them out before they settle in. Too early, and they go leggy. I always check my local frost dates, then plant so roots can get established while the soil's still warm. Fixing these mistakes is easy and often free. Just a bit of observation and timing. Your soil will thank you with better moisture, more life, and a head start for spring. If you found these tips helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep decoding dirt together. Here at Dirt Decoded, the soil always comes first, so you can enjoy a bountiful harvest year after year.